up, guys? I'm Noah from Theme Park Fun, and I'm at SeaWorld again for electric eel, and I found a little spot. If I can zoom in. Okay, so we've gone to the hole over here, and we can see a whole bunch more. Oh, okay, a tarp wall blocking our view. Oh, sick. That's where the, hold on, I'm sorry, you guys probably can't see anything right now, but right there, you see where that guy's in? That's where the control panel is gonna be. That's where the ride operator will sit and operate the ride and stuff like that. Oh, the stupid metal bar is getting in my way. Oh, oh, dang it. I was gonna say this gate opens because there's a lock, but it's in the way. There's a ramp. That wooden stuff right there goes down, and probably, hold on, I'm gonna slant this thing down. Yeah, you guys could see the ramp. And the station is pretty much almost done, except for it looks like they're gonna paint it. It's looking really good, actually. I don't know if I think it might look a little bit like Tempesto Station, where it's kind of outdoors and indoors at the same time. But it might be all the way indoors looking at this. I don't know though. They got gates, and oh, there's kind of a shadow of the coaster train. You guys can see that little thing. That's part of the coaster train, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna go somewhere else and get a better view right now. Okay, so right now I am in the line of Journey to Atlantis, and there's a pretty good viewing area of electric eel, so I just decided to move on over here. As you can see, that's Journey to Atlantis. Alright. Oh. Cool. You guys, if you see, they put a fence in. That fence, they put it on this side too. It looks like they added a lot of gates, which is pretty cool. They got gates right there by the dude. The trains are on the track, but I need to find a good area to find them and get them in for you guys, but I just can't find them. They put the concrete in the building on this side of the building, right there. That it looks like they haven't done it on the other side, as we can see straight through the other side. Oh yeah, also if you guys can see the curvy things right there, hold on, I'll point to them right there, those things, how it like kind of curves back like towards us. I'll put a picture in of a building of what it'll look like, or no, I'll go over to a building actually, because I'll go on the other side to do some other footage. That I-beam, that might be for transporting the trains on and off the track. I wonder what he's doing. Alright, let's go to the other side. Also, I'll add in the maintenance that they did this year for Journey to Atlantis. They painted that blue. So it used to look like that nasty dark brown color, kind of like the ground over here. But they painted it blue, so the water looks super nice and clean. Here comes the boat right now. We'll get a cool shot of that. There is more concrete. That looks like a store or a photo thing. Yeah. Okay, so I'm getting a better view of the concrete for the shop slash ride photos. Yeah. that's basically all I could get. It's gonna, the station, oh wow, it's zoomed in, I forgot. But the station is gonna look something like that, like I was saying, how the thing curves at the top. Over there, the station's gonna look like that. I think that's pretty much it for today. I didn't get the thing of the coaster trains, but maybe I'll get that another day. So, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.